We're following up on new rules for drone pilots that are coming to South Carolina next year. And the new law targets criminal misuse of drone while keeping most of the rules in the same for recreational users. News 19's Josie Frost joining us now in the studio with those details. Josie.
Experts say South Carolina does not have the laws it needs to keep people from misusing drones, especially near prisons or military bases. But starting January 1st, a new set of regulations will take effect. Drones have become more and more popular for everyday users, but so have some problems, according to Lieutenant Aubrey Richardson with the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division.
We've had issues with drones flying in restricted airspace, which potentially can interfere with public safety operations. For example, a couple years ago at the Cooper River Bridge Run, there was a drone that almost struck a police helicopter.
The new law creates state criminal penalties for people who fly drones within 1,500 feet of a military installation without permission, use them to smuggle contraband, or turn them into weapons. A state law already made it illegal to fly a drone over a prison, but this law expands those protections.
The previous law only covered Department of Corrections facilities, but provided no coverage for local or county jails, which was leaving them vulnerable.
Many of those new regulations were already in place at the federal level, set by the Federal Aviation Administration. But because they are FAA rules, local law enforcement can't prosecute those cases directly. This law would change that.
Prior to the passage of the bill, South Carolina just had very limited state-specific drone laws. The FAA handles most regulations, but it left local law enforcement, state law enforcement, with few tools to address misuse or criminal activity of drone.
Drone pilots can still get FAA approval to fly near a military installation or correctional facility if they choose to. Richardson says the average drone user shouldn't see a major change in their experience. In the studio, Josie Frost, News 19, WLTX.